In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 225 by 9 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 22. We know that 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 4. Now, this 4 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 225 divided by 9 is equal to 25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.